Welcome to Ask and Learn.
First, drawing the PV diagram. So we are going to draw the PV diagram for diesel cycle. So drawing it more carefully as I am draw here. So after that we will solve this problem. So here it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is process. Here it is Q out and here it is Q in. This is P and this is V. Now going forward we can write calculating temperature at the end of compression. So calculating temperature at end of compression, we will use this formula. So T1 is 70 degree and V1 by V2 is 22. So we can write T2 as 70 plus 273 into 22 to the power 1.4 minus 1. So on calculating we get T2 as 1181 Kelvin. Now going forward, in process 2 to 3, it is a constant pressure process. So it is a constant pressure process. So we can write V3 by T3 is equal to V2 by T2. So on solving further we can write this. So going further we can put the value here. After that we will solve it. So on solving we will get the value of T3 as 2125.8 Kelvin. Now going further we can write the temperature at state 4. So the temperature at state 4 is this. This is the formula which we will use to calculate T4. So putting the value here of T3 as well as the other data. On calculating it we get as 2125.8 into this. Now going further and solving it, we will get it as 781 Kelvin. Now mass of air is equal to M is equal to P1 V1 by T1 into R. So putting the value here, I am just putting all the value here. After that we will calculate this value. So on calculating this value we will get M as 0.002365 kg. Now Q in is equal to MCP T3 minus T2. So put the value of M here, CP here as well as T3 minus T2 here. So on calculating we will get Q in as 2.245 kilojoule. Now going further we can write Q out is equal to MCV T4 minus T1. This is the formula of Q out. So putting the value here, I am just putting all the value. After that we will simplify it. On simplifying we get this value as Q out. As we know that W net out is equal to Q in minus Q out. So putting the value of Q in as well as Q out here and subtracting we get 1.5012 kilojoule as W out. Now W net out is equal to power developed by engine. So this value can be calculated as N into W net out by N REV. So putting all the value here. So I am just putting all the value that are calculated in earlier. So on calculating this we will get the value as 87.57 kilowatt. So power developed by engine, power developed by engine is 87.57 kilowatt.